Hello there, my name is Satish Irudaya and I work for Optus Business as a digital portfolio manager. As part of my current role, I am working on a transformation program to digitize ICT product and maintenance offering, creating a market space for customer to buy their product and maintenance directly, remove duplication and improve efficiency by redefining the existing process. As you may know, Optus is the second largest telco in Australia, and most of the telco around the world are going through a transformation. My KPI is to build an efficient, fit-for-purpose backend system within Optus for ICT solutions. In this program of work, we will be phasing out legacy system, get RPAs to complete manual transactional work, improve efficiency, and faster turnaround for our customer. I've been working on this program for past 6 months and worked on a couple of small initiatives prior to this role. The current program is quite challenging as it is impacting people, process, and technology. In other words, I am engaged to build a whole new digital capability. From my experience, the organization can undertake transformation in one of the three methods. The first one is all-in top-down approach. This is an organization-wide transformation. An example for this would be organization adopting to agile methodology of project delivery. The second one is the stepwise transformation. This approach involves a systematic and more discrete approach. And the last but not the least is an emergent, which represent essentially a bottom-up approach. My current program is a stepwise approach, building an MVP capability for the business unit using agile methodology. Once the MVP is approved by the business and the stakeholders, we will be looking on the BAU adoption. The big question that's asked on most of my transformation program is why? Why is this change? And the simple answer we get from the organization is to improve efficiency, optimization, faster to market, adaptation to emerging technologies, and the list goes on. For my program within the ICT product and maintenance business, the transformation is driven by following factors. The first one is the change in market, the second one is the customer expectation, and the third one is the revenue decline. So Optus Business is aligning the ICT go-to-market strategy to customer needs and market movement. In the past, the delivery lead time for ICT product was 4 to 6 weeks, but the customer experience is changing and they are expecting the equipments to be delivered faster. Also, the order processing within Optus Business was manual, sequential, and time consuming. This program is to build a platform or a marketplace for customer to procure the product directly. Also, the platform will provide stock availability and delivery lead time for their products. Following are the top 3 challenges I have experienced in this program. The first one is the people and culture, which goes together. The biggest question from the resources are, what is there for me? Will my role get impacted? And the second problem is relating to processes. The current process is not clearly documented and they are people dependent. Most of the intellectual property or so-called IPs are in people's head, not clearly documented on a paper. The challenge is to document the as-is process, workshop to finalize the new process. Sometimes we make use of design thinking process to finalize the to-be process. And the third challenge is relating to technology component. Legacy systems are built in a bespoke way, and the challenge is to standardize the system and offering. Another problem within Optus Business is the resources are change fatigue. They are exhausted from excessive changes from the past, and there are a lot more failed changes. The key to work with these resources are realize the resources are very frustrated, to acknowledge the pain from the past, and inspire them to work on the current vision. For the change to be successful, it is vital to have a strong change management team as part of the program. The change management process I have adopted within my program involves regular project status update, broadcast emails, leadership briefing, constant communication to the resources across the board, and regular feedback. As a change advocate for the organization transformation, transforming people is critical. This will involve uplifting their capability by providing additional training, walking them through on the new processes, and providing clear work instructions. With this, I conclude my change reflective assignment. Thank you very much for your time.